Good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs. In today's session, let's begin our discussion with respect to municipalities. In India, there are so many municipalities, and out of these municipalities, 111 municipalities have been taken into consideration. They have been divided into two categories: million plus population and less than million population. And in those categories, some municipalities have been selected as the best municipalities. Let's try to understand what exactly are these. We'll try to look at this. So look at the first question that is on the screen. You may have a look at this. Municipal Performance Index, MPI, Municipal Performance Index, is an initiative of, important one, Niti Aayog, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, or Ministry of Panchayati Raj? No, definitely not. Ministry of Jal Shakti. Right? So, if you look at ABCD, the correct answer is option B, that is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Kindly remember, this is related to Municipal Performance Index. In short form, it is called MPI. Look at this. Now, if you look at this, recently the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs released the final ranking of Ease of Living Index, Ease of Living Index 2020, and also Municipal Performance Index. But kindly look at this. In this particular question is related to the Municipal Performance Index of 2020. Now, for the purpose of this, the MPI 2020 has classified municipalities based on their population. Right? Look at this. The first one is million plus, and the second one is less than million population. Look at the beauty of this. In the million plus category, Indore has emerged as the highest ranked municipality, followed by Surat and Bhopal. And when it comes to less than million category, it is New Delhi Municipal Council, followed by Tirupati and Gandhinagar. So please remember these points. Now, so we'll be going ahead, looking at the next one. Another very important thing, in which state Pench Tiger Reserve is located? Kindly remember, generally if you look at any tiger reserves, right, look at the options please. Tamil Nadu is there, Maharashtra, Assam and Kerala. So if you look at any tiger reserve, that is generally present in a single state. But this is one such type of this tiger reserve that is located in two different states. Meaning, in two states, this particular tiger reserve is covered. And what is that? Let's try to understand. And in these two states, only one state is given here. Is that okay? And let's look at this. Look at the question once again. In which state Pench Tiger Reserve is located? Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Assam and Kerala. Let me tell you, the two states are Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. And here in the options, Madhya Pradesh is not given, then obviously we will go for the state of Maharashtra. If both are given, then what should be done? So you should look at option D. If both Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra is given in the options, then you go for it. But if Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh is given, please go for Madhya Pradesh. So that all depends on how the question is asked and how the options are given. Right? So now look at the question again. In which state Pench Tiger Reserve is located? And your answer is option B. But I would like to share more information with you regarding Pench Tiger Reserve. This is also called the Pench National Park. Is one of the premier tiger reserves of India. And also remember, a few days back I told you that Madhya Pradesh is called Tiger State because large number of tigers are present in the state of Madhya Pradesh, right? And this particular reserve is one of the premier tiger reserves of India and the first one to straddle across two states, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Ordinarily, look at this, ordinarily, the reference to Pench is mostly to the tiger reserve in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so kindly remember this. Very important one. And recently, a female cub of man-eater Tigress Avni has been released into the wild in the Pench Tiger Reserve of Maharashtra. So kindly remember this one. From here, we'll be going ahead. Going ahead, look at this. Another one, in which country the headquarters of World Customs Organization is located? This is very much there in the news because something is there which is associated with India. That is the reason why it is there in the news and we are discussing as a part of our current affairs. So options Belgium, France, Germany or America, and your answer is option A, Belgium. Right? Look at this. In fact, if you look at this particular organization, it was established in the year 1952 and earlier it was called CCC, meaning Customs Cooperation Council. Is that okay? And currently you got 183 customs administration across the globe. And another important thing, India had become the vice chair regional head of the Asia Pacific region of WCO for a period of 2 years, and it started in June 2020. Clear? So please remember this, and the headquarters is located in Brussels, that is Belgium. Right? So all these points are important for the examination point of view. So that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class with more and more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.